Hello world and welcome to my new video. Today we're going to do the unboxing of the Samsung S9 phone. So let's get started. Today we shall be doing unboxing of two Samsung S9 Plus phone, one being 64GB, other one having 256GB of two different colors, titanium grey and sunrise gold. The first phone comes our titanium grey. Let's open it up, do it this way. I am so excited for this phone. Here we have the phone, Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Let's see the phone, there we go. But let's see first of all what we have inside the box. USB connector, and here we have here you have the phone. On the top part, as you can see, here's a place you can keep your, this is called the SIM slot, as you can see the top part. Now moving on from the side, we have the volume buttons over here. Moving on from the down part, where you have the plug-in charger button, and this is for our earphones. Okay, and this is power button, as you can see here. Behind the phone you have our camera, the two special camera this time in S9 Plus, giving you a beautiful footage. And if you don't know by now, I'm using a camera, as you can see here, which is also S9 Plus itself, so you can see how beautiful video it gives you, and that is for your fingerprint. And here we had our titanium color, as you can see, titanium grey, beautiful and very nice. Now next we're going to do the unboxing of our Samsung S9 Plus 256GB sunrise gold, your favorite color. All the components will be same, so without wasting much time, we'll look at the phone color and the texture of the phone. So let's get started. Look at the color, so beautiful, isn't it?